Hey guys, today I'm going to be making slime with this crazy art slime kit, and I'm super excited to make it because look at all the things you can make. You can make a rainbow slime, a galaxy slime, a glitter slime, a neon slime, a crunchy slime, a unicorn slime, a mermaid slime, and a confetti slime. Also, if you like the slimes that you see on my channel, make sure to go check out my Instagram for my slimes, berry slimes. Let's see what's inside. So here's the slime station. Here's the containers and the glues. And here's the mixer. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like all set up. And the 4 slimes we're going to be making today are the mermaid slime, the galaxy slime, the crunchy slime, and the confetti slime. So let's start making slime. First slime I'm going to make is the mermaid slime. The first thing you got to do is open this and set it aside. Then you need to get your measuring cup. First you got to add 50 milliliters of clear glue. Now there's 15 milliliters of glue, you got to put it inside the mixer. I'll need 25 milliliters of water. Now we need half a spoon of blue food coloring and also half a spoon of green so we can make teal. To twist the crank back on until it's completely tight, and now mix it together. Now it should become a teal, and get your measuring cup and add 5 milliliters of activator at a time. The crank at the top, just add it in there. Oopsies. And mix. So the mixer didn't work well at all. It's not a great machine to make slime in. So I think I'm going to be better off making the slime in a bowl. So that's what I'm going to do now, because that made the rest, it only activated a little bit, and now that's all hard, and now there's only runny water. So that's not a great machine to make slime in. Guys, that did not work at all, so we have to make the whole slime again. Now this worked much better than the machine. I feel like the machine is just a waste and you don't really need it because it really ruins your slime. Now I just need to make this 2 more times, but in 2 different colors. So I've lined all the 3 colors up together and now I'm going to swirl them. it didn't really look anything like the picture. It looks really metallic on the picture, but this one doesn't. It feels really nice though, and it's really nice and jiggly, and it's fun to play with. They also gave us these logos to stick on the containers. Now I'm making the crunchy slime. So 50 milliliters of clear glue. Now it says to add a spoon of pink colorant. And to add all the beads. Now 25 milliliters of water and mix. Now time to activate it. This is what the crunchy slime turned out like. It's really crunchy, but you can't really hear it that well. It's really pretty. It's a really nice hot pink. And I think this one is my favorite so far. Now I'm making the galaxy slime. Now I need half of the purple glitter and half of the silver glitter. And a spoon of blue colorant. Okay, now time to activate. This one's really pretty and I really like it. I really like the color, but I think the pink one is still my favorite so far. So I'm gonna put this away and let's make the last slime. First we have some clear glue. Now we need to add the water. And now we have to add the glitter. Now it's time to activate. The confetti slime is really pretty, but I do find that it does leave confetti on your hands a lot. But I really like it. It also does poke into your hands as well. Kind of hurts, like not much, but a little bit. And I have to say my favorite slime that we've made today is the pink crunchy one. So these are all the slimes I made. The galaxy one, the mermaid one, the crunchy one, and the confetti one. I think the crunchy one comes in first place. I think the mermaid one comes in second place, this one comes in third place, and this one comes last. And comment down below which slime I made today was your favorite. I really like this slime kit. The only thing that's not good about it is the mixer. So I recommend maybe not using it if you want to buy this one, or buy the cheaper ones. And overall I give this an 8 out of 10. This kit, it was really fun to make all these different slimes, but again the mixer was terrible. But anyways, thank you for watching and bye guys.